In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first flow in Power Automate. This beginner tutorial will guide you step by step through the process, ensuring you gain a clear understanding of how to get started with this powerful automation tool from Microsoft. Power Automate is a fantastic way to streamline your tasks and increase productivity by automating repetitive processes. So, let's dive right in and get your first flow up and running. First, you need to log into Power Automate. Head over to flow.microsoft.com and sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see a navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From there, click on the option that says Create. This will bring you to a new screen where you can choose the type of flow you want to create. Since we are starting with something very simple, we'll choose to create an instant cloud flow. This type of flow is triggered manually, making it a great choice for users who are just dipping their toes into automation without adding additional complexity. You'll be prompted to name your flow. Something straightforward like, "My first flow will do just fine." Then, select Manually Trigger a Flow as the trigger. This trigger is ideal for our tutorial because it doesn't rely on any external services or connectors, keeping things nice and straightforward. Now that we have our trigger set, it's time to add an action to your flow. Click on the plus New Step button to proceed. In the Action search bar, type in Compose and select it from the list. Compose is a fundamental and built-in action in Power Automate, allowing you to construct simple messages or data inputs. In the Compose Actions input field, type out a simple message like, "Hello, this is my first flow." This message isn't just text. It's a small but significant piece of your automation, showing you've set things up correctly. With your trigger and action configured, the next step is to save your flow. Click on the Save button to ensure all your settings are securely stored. Once saved, it's time to test everything to make sure your flow operates as expected. Click on Test, and when prompted, choose Manually to initiate the flow. You'll then be asked to run the flow by clicking on another button. Once activated, you'll see the flow in action. After the flow has run, navigate to the My Flow section and select your newly created flow. This is where you can check the run history to review the results of your flow in detail. You'll see whether everything executed correctly, and you can troubleshoot any issues that might arise. Congratulations! You've just created and tested your first flow in Power Automate. This basic flow is just the beginning of what you can achieve. Happy automating!